The EcoPower Plus electric lawn mower is a powerful and efficient solution for maintaining a well-manicured lawn. This self-propelled cordless mower features select cut technology, allowing users to customize their mowing experience with multiple blade options for precision cutting. Designed for ease of use and high performance, it provides a quiet, eco-friendly alternative to gas-powered models without sacrificing power. With the included 56V 7.5Ah battery and an extra 5.0Ah battery, this mower offers extended runtime, ensuring you can tackle larger lawns without interruptions. The rapid charger minimizes downtime by quickly recharging the batteries so you can get back to mowing in no time. The Touch Drive self-propelled system makes maneuvering effortless, allowing users to control the speed and direction with just a touch. Built for durability and convenience, this mower is lightweight yet sturdy, featuring a weather-resistant construction that can handle various lawn conditions. It also includes an easy fold design for compact storage, making it ideal for those with limited space. The high-efficiency brushless motor delivers consistent power, while the adjustable cutting height provides flexibility for different grass lengths. One of the key benefits of this cordless electric mower is its low maintenance. Unlike gas mowers, there are no oil changes, fuel refills, or engine maintenance required. This makes it a hassle-free option for homeowners looking for a reliable and efficient lawn care solution. For those looking to upgrade to a high-performance electric mower, this bundle offers great value with a 30% discount. If you want to experience the power and convenience of the EcoPower Plus electric lawn mower, check out the link in the description below and take advantage of this limited time sale.